Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid late fees with Credit One. So it's going to be a quick video, just a couple of tips on how to do that. So let's just get straight into the video. The first tip is to set up automatic payments. So you want to set up automatic payments. That's going to help you to make your payments on time, and that way you get to avoid having to pay late fees. The second tip is to make timely payments. So if you can help it, you can just make payments on time, and that's obviously going to help you to avoid late fees. Also, you want to make sure that you review and understand the payment due date. So sometimes you may miss a payment if you simply didn't know when the payment was due, but if you just review and understand the payment due dates, that's going to help you to avoid that mistake. Next, you want to consider setting up payment reminders. So if you set up payment reminders, obviously you're going to get a notification prior to the payment dates, and that will help you to make the payments on time and avoid having to pay late fees. You also want to contact Credit One's customer support if you have any questions or concerns about late fees or payments. And make sure you review and understand the late fee waiver process, because there is a process to that, and by understanding it, you can make better decisions in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to avoid late fees with Credit One. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.